Okay, so this is a smartwatch with exactly the same strap you have with you, and then although this is a different kind of smartwatch, but everything is practically the same. So you should observe this is it. This is the smartwatch, the strap, just that this one is the orange color. So just observe that here, this particular side that you fit in here should stay at this top the same way with that one. Just check it, this particular side that you use in fitting it should stay at this top end here, and you just it is not exactly going in, so you try here. Sorry. Okay, so good. Then this one, now it is here, and so you just remove completely. Now remove it like this, you see, then you wear it in your hand. You wear it, then you draw here. Okay, you see, okay, you draw it, then you hook this somewhere where you feel comfortable, and this is it. That is it, right? So that is just how to use it. Let me know if you have any challenges.